The dangers of selling options. David Jaffe with BestStockStrategy.com, and in this video we're going to discuss the dangers of selling options. In my opinion, the dangers of selling options are going to be the 0.2 to 0.5% of trades that end up going against you. And additionally, the biggest problem is during low volatility environments when the VIX is trading below 15, then typically people are going to increase their size. And if they're trading naked options, then during a large volatility expansion event, they can end up getting caught and they can end up getting placed in a margin call during these events. That's why I think it's really important, especially during times when the market is going up and people are very euphoric, to switch over and start selling call spreads. Additionally, if you are going to sell put options, then you should narrow the width of the strikes when you are selling put options. Additionally, you should decrease your size and use less money when the VIX is below 15. But I think that really the most important thing is you're going to have to accept making less money when volatility is low. It's kind of like going into the casino, and if you're playing blackjack and you have an 11, then you're going to trade larger and you're going to bet larger than you would if you have a 6 or something. So yeah, sorry, I'm not really a gambler. I haven't gone to the casino. But the fact is that during low volatility environments, it's important to trade smaller. If you are going to trade put spreads, make sure that your spreads are very narrow. And additionally, you should sell call spreads and make sure that those call spreads are also very narrow as well. But the dangers of selling options are that even if you win 98% of your trades, you could end up losing money because that 0.2 to 0.5% of the trades that end up being like 5 standard deviation moves can end up costing you a significant amount of money if you're not protected. So make sure that during low volatility environments, when the market is going up and there's a lot of complacency, that you are prepared and that you don't trade too large and that you take adequate and necessary protections to protect your principal and protect your capital. David Jaffe with BestStockStrategy.com. Please leave a comment below, like this video, and let me know your thoughts on what the biggest danger is of selling option premium.